Answering questions in the lecture videos. You must watch the video as part of your learning process. There are 2 questions in each video. While you're watching the video, the questions will appear for approximately 6 to 8 seconds. The questions are related to the video you are watching. For example, if you're watching the cell video, then the questions will not be about the bones. Pause the video and answer the questions. Use as much time as you want to answer the question. You will find the answers in the video or in the book used in this class. Using a different resource, for example Google, to find the answers is allowed. However, if there are discrepancies and to maintain one unique standard, the only valid answer will be what is provided in the video and or in the book. For example, some resources show that mitosis has 4 phases, others show 5 phases, and others show 6 phases. And those answers might be correct depending on the author. Since mitosis may have different answers, if the video shows that mitosis has 5 phases, then that will be the correct answer, regardless of any other answer you may find using a different resource. Write down your answer. You will use the answers you wrote down to select your answer in an assessment found in D2L. You will have 1 minute per question to select your answer in the assessment. So to be clear, you can use as much time as you want to find the answer while you are watching the video. However, you will have only 1 minute to select your answer in the assessment. So find the lecture video on YouTube in the HITES4 channel. So here is the HITES4 channel in YouTube. And right here is the Anatomy 1 lecture. Here, you're going to select where it says activities. Your professor will tell you whether you have to use ALT activities or SUM activities. If the professor tells you to use ALT activities, you will use that during the entire semester. You will not use SUM activities. So let's assume that your professor tells you to use ALT activities. You click on it and it will open. You can see right here LET activities, and in there you will find different activities. For example, you're going to find what is wrong, true and false. You scroll down and you will find the lecture videos. LEC means lecture. So then right here you will have lecture video 1, Introduction to Anatomy, lecture video 2, lecture video 3, etc., etc. You will select the video that you want to watch. For example, I'm going to select lecture video 2. Here's the video, and the video is going to start playing. As you can see, while the video is playing, the question is going to show up. Pay attention that in here it shows you the question number 3. Read the question. It's a medium like water containing ions that carry an electrical charge. The answer is going to be electrolytes. You will have 2 questions in the video. So the video is going to keep playing. The next question is going to show up later on in the video. Okay, and right here you can see the next question, number 4. The question says the building block of proteins are, and the answer should be amino acids. Again, write down the answer. This is a suggestion on how you should do that. So right here is question number 3. The answer was electrolytes. And question number 4, the answer was amino acids. As I mentioned before, you need to write down the question number and the answers because you will have to select this in an assessment found in D2L. So here's D2L. You will go to Assessments, select Quizzes. Once you click on Quizzes, this screen is going to show. Right here, you will select the lecture activity. In this case, we're going to select video number 2 because that is the video that we watch on YouTube. Once you open the activity, it will start. Right here, it shows you that in each activity, you will have 2 questions there. Telling you this is the first question, and you will have another question after this. However, right here, you can see the question number that you have to answer. And remember, this question number matches with the answers you wrote down. Number 3 was electrolytes, number 4 was amino acids. So number 3, the answer should be electrolytes. So for question number 3, you will select electrolytes. You will do the same thing for question number 4, and you will save your answers. After that, submit your assessment, and D2L will display your grade. One last thing I want to mention is that once you are in the HITES4 channel and you go to the Anatomy 1 lecture, you will find these videos, which are the videos that the professor is going to use in class. These videos do not have the questions. The videos with the questions, you will find them right here on the activities. So remember, once the professor tells you that you have to complete the old activities, then you will have to use those during the entire semester. Do not open the activities that you have in the SUM. Remember, the Anatomy 1 videos, these ones are the ones the professor uses in class and they do not have the questions. The videos with questions are in the activities.